Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important tenses in English grammar, the present simple tense. It's easy and useful. We use the present simple tense to talk about actions that are always true, habits, routines, and general facts. Let's look at some examples. Examples include: the sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. I go to school every day. These show regular actions. It's simple to form. For I, you, we, they, use the base form of the verb. For he, she, it, add s or s. Negative sentences use don't or doesn't. I, you, we, they right pointing arrow don't plus base verb. He, she, it right pointing arrow doesn't plus base verb. To ask questions, use do or does. Do plus I, you, we, they plus base verb. Does plus he, she, it plus base verb. Let's practice together. Listen and repeat. I wake up at 7 a.m. She wakes up at 6 a.m. They don't like tea. Great job! You learned about the present simple tense, its formation, negative sentences, questions, and some examples.